Hey guys, Antonio here with another video on How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. And today we're going to be talking about the movies do it, TV does it, why don't you? And before we get started, click that subscribe button down low. Follow along with more videos like this, sent straight to your inbox every single week. So, what do the movies and TV do that you normally don't? Think about it. It's the fact that you don't dramatize your own ideas. Add pictures, add descriptions, add details, add vivid emotions, add everything you can to a story, add everything you can to what you need. And that will make your story come to life. That'll make whatever you're saying come to life and have people captivated, right? Think about it for a second. The TV shows, right? Let's think for example, even reality TV shows. The Jersey Shore. Great example. That is a hugely incorrect depiction of what a lot of Italians are like that live in New Jersey. I am an Italian who lived in New Jersey most of my entire life, and that's not how I act at all, right? So that's just a huge dramatization of who these people are. It's not who the whole group of people are. But what sold? The Jersey Shore. They have everyone on that show had different spin-offs or different businesses from that TV show because it was so ridiculous to see what they were doing. It was such a dramatic thing, whether it be humor, whether it be drama, whether it be surprises, whatever it is. Throw in emotions, throw in vivid and dramatic things. And principle 11 here is to dramatize your ideas. Hope I drove the point home, guys. Please leave me a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video. I'm going to leave a link in the description down low for you to purchase a copy of this book on Amazon. Guys, make sure to check me out on Patreon right here. So follow along with my social media. I post every single day, multiple times a day. And as always, remember that a chapter a day allows for success to make way. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.